Can you tell us a little bit more about how you became geophysicist?
Just kind of fell into it by accident, I guess. My name is Naif. I'm an assistant professor at Georgia Institute of Technology. I came here as a refugee when I was around almost 8 years old from Iraq, making it to San Diego. So I grew up, yes, skating around and surfing, and I think that's how I found my passion for nature. I just loved staring at landscapes. And that's probably what drove me ultimately into the earth sciences. My research is actually mostly on ships. So I do marine geophysics. Essentially, I go out to sea every once in a while when we get a project funded to collect data, and that essentially involves putting together some sensors that we put on concrete anchors and throw over the side of the ship. And they're recording electric and magnetic fields. By recording those fields, we can then use it to essentially make an image of what the electrical resistivity structure is underneath the ground. So looking at crust and mantle scales, essentially. And it's really useful for studying a lot of plate tectonic and volcanic processes because they involve fluids, and electrical resistivity is a great material property that's really sensitive to if there's fluids around. So what's next for me? So it's going to survey the Cocos Plate. So the Cocos Plate is an oceanic plate that's subducting beneath Central America. And so this project is going to be to go try to see, okay, we only saw it with a profile of data, and we're going to now go and cover the Cocos Plate with an array of both electromagnetic and seismic sensors to try to map it out. So I would say I have a much bigger passion for staring at the seafloor and oceanic plates and what's happening in the middle of the oceans in general. And a lot of times when you see maps, it's just blue, or if you do see the seafloor, it has a lot of fascinating structure to it. I happened to come across a listserv email about a meeting in New Zealand to talk about the subduction system there, and it was a GeoPRISMS workshop. GeoPRISMS is an amazing program. Now that I've been to more meetings, I've realized it has a really specific way of doing things that brings a lot of people from different disciplines together into the same room to talk about an interest that they all share. I think earth sciences is a really special subject where to make progress, you really need that interdisciplinary research and collaboration. And I feel like GeoPRISMS did that. It created a community of very broad range of disciplines and brought them together into a room. And it did it a lot with early career and students as well. So it formed these bonds and networks that then kind of follow you in your career if you stick around in academia.